Our mosques are being torn down, demolished, not a word from the Muslim world. Scholars like this, Nazira Muhammad Salih, in the prisons. Her father, Muhammad Salih Damolam, was martyred in China's concentration camps. When is the world going to wake up? One of our very few Islamic scholars in East Turkestan is gone. One of our very few female Islamic scholars has disappeared, possibly even martyred. And yet, nothing. There are no more imams left. There are no more people of knowledge, students of knowledge left, ikhwani. Anything that has to do with Islam is disappearing. 46, 47-year-old Nazira Muhammad Salih has disappeared. Who is going to teach Islam the right way if people like this are disappearing or being killed, being executed simply for teaching the religion of Allah? Shame on you Muslim countries. If the mosques were being demolished in any other country, people would be all over the streets. The Muslim leaders, especially the ones in Turkey, there'll be condemnation and outcries. Hey Israel, this, that. But no, because we are Turkish, because we are Uyghur, because we are currently, unfortunately, we are under China's occupation, this is what we have come to. Share this hashtag, Free Nazira Muhammad Salih, and help share the Uyghur plight to the rest of the world. And maybe, just maybe, if the Muslim leaders won't wake up, at least one part of the Ummah will. Do you know what kind of Islam is allowed in East Turkestan? Chinese version of Islam. Now, Chinese version of Islam is not Islam. The rest of mankind, if you do not act soon, you will lose a huge part of mankind's history, culture, because you did not stand up. Jazakallah khairan, brothers and sisters. Please share and hashtag. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.